Hey guys, so today I'm going to do a really quick little video. I'm going to show you some Kreeptures that have been sent from KILLSTAR. So this isn't a collection video, this isn't all of the ones I have. I do have other ones that I've bought myself, but I'm just going to show you the ones that they have sent me recently because they have sent me 9 of them. So 3 of them are quite old. They did send me them, I think probably like the end of last year. You might have seen them in a haul, but I'm just going to show them anyway. And then the other 6 they've sent me quite recently. So I will put the link for them down below in case you want to buy any of them, check any of them out. There is loads of other ones. There's like Exorcist ones and stuff that have just come out. So loads of different variations of them. I will try and put the price here on the screen roughly. And there is actually a coupon code right now as well, which is vacation, and that gives you 20% off. So I'll write that somewhere here on the screen now, and I'll put their link and stuff down below in case you want to go and check them out. But we're just going to start, and like I said, I've got 9 to show you. So I will start with the 3 they sent me quite a while ago first. So the first one I have is called Panic, and this is what he looks like. So like I said, the 60 ones are like horror themed, but the other ones that I have are more just sort of like spooky, gothy, creepy kind of vibes. So this is Panic, and he's kind of like a little devil sort of guy. He's got his little pitchfork here, little plushy pitchfork, and he's got a little skeleton. It's kind of like an open shirt sort of look. I know it's very dark on camera, but it looks kind of like an open shirt with his skeleton belly showing through. And then he's got a little pentacle on his head. And I think his eyes glow in the dark, and the little pentacle glows in the dark as well. So, oh, and his little devilly tail. That is what the tag looks like. It just says Panic, and then it says cute as hell. So that is the first one. Then next we have this one. This one is very similar. This one is called Tragic, and it's kind of the same vibes as the last one, I would say. Has a little skeleton body and skeleton embroidered legs, little paw feet and arms. And again, his eyes I think glow in the dark, and then he's got like a little skull hood on and curly little horns, and again a little devilly tail. This one's grey though. So that one is Tragic. I'll hold them together just so you can see them as a couple. I think these 2 came out at the same time, so very cute. Then the last older one I have to show you is called Relic, and this one is a half and half bear. So this side is like a faux leather kind of material, and he's got a swirly little eye, half a pentacle or pentagram, and then a little horn and ear. And then on this side he's kind of like a fluffy skeleton. So again, he's got embroidered legs and arms, and then these weird little 3D ribs. Super cute. I feel like this one's one of my favourite ones. I don't know why. I think just because it's so unusual looking. But that one is Relic. And then we get on to my newer ones. So I've got 3 gremlins. I'll show you all of those first. So the first one we have is called Mohawk, and it's a licensed collaboration. So it says Gremlins x KILLSTAR, authentic plushie Gremlins Mohawk Gremlin. And this is what he looks like. So detailed. All of this is like embroidered and 3D, little teeth. And he is huge as well. I don't know if you can really tell like how big they are on camera, but he is massive. Super soft plushy little ears. And then this is his mohawk down the back. So that one is the Mohawk Gremlin. And then next we have the Bat Gremlin, which I was super excited about. Very similar shape, obviously, because it's still a gremlin. But this one has huge bat wings. So you can kind of fold them around him if you want. That is how it actually arrived, like this, which I think also looks cute. But yeah, they're again like a plushy kind of thick material. He doesn't have any hair at the back or anything. Similar face, I would say. Yeah, pretty much the same face shape, but different colours. This one's more a grey. But yeah, that is the Bat Gremlin. That's his little tag. And then the last gremlin I have isn't the same as the other ones. This is more of a kind of like a cartoony sort of plushy one. And this one again is Mohawk, but a different variation. And this is what he looks like. Now I've got to say, out of the two Mohawks, I think this one I do prefer a little bit, just because he's so soft and fluffy and he's just kind of cutesier. You can see the little heart light in his eyes. He doesn't have hearts in his eyes, that's just my ring light reflecting backwards. Here's his little tag. But yeah, I think I prefer this one just because he's so different. The other two are very similar and this one's like a different cutesier kind. And he has really sparkly gold eyes as well, which is super cute. So that is the second Mohawk gremlin. And then next we have one that I actually wasn't that excited about, but when it came I feel like it looks so much better than it does online, and that is Chucky. So this again is a licensed collaboration with Chucky. Very, very cute little tag on that one. But he is just super, super detailed. The head is a little big. Like, he has got a big baby kind of looking head. But it's so cute though. All this fuzzy ginger hair. And then his little dungarees with the buttons and this little pocket that's ripped on the front. I love this one. Like I said, I feel like he looked uglier online and he looks way cuter in person. Definitely the most detailed out of the ones that I've shown, I would say. So that one is little Chucky. And of course, you can't have Chucky without Tiffany. So, of course, we had to have Tiffany. Now, Gary doesn't love this one. I have to say she's not my favourite, but I couldn't get one without the other. She is very, very cute though. She has kind of like a wig on. It came looking a lot better than I expected. The top's a little fuzzy, but generally it is straight and soft and silky and nice. It's not all like matted up and gross. She's got her little wedding dress on and a little fake leather jacket and the little embroidered tiff necklace. She's got little ears. She is really, really cute. Just not my favourite one that I've got. Again, same tag, but it just says Tiffany on it instead. So this is the two of them together. Obviously you'd be able to sort their hair out when they were sat down. But they are very cute though. And then last but not least, my favourite one. I would say probably the most simple one and the one that I kind of wasn't that excited for, but I love it and I don't know why, is the little maggot from Corpse Bride. So again, it is a licensed collaboration and his name is just Maggot. He is so cute, he's so soft. This is like the weirdest material. It's like really, really short, fuzzy velvet. I love it. I just love it. 100% my favourite one. So cute. I took pictures with this one the other day and they are adorable. So if you follow me on Instagram, you might have already seen that, or I might not have posted it yet, I'm not sure. But yeah, love this one. So that is the Maggot one from the Corpse Bride. There is also the Corpse Bride and Victor one as well, which are so cute. So if you love that film, I would definitely go and check them out. So yeah, that was all of the KILLSTAR Kreeptures that I had to show you. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Like I said, it was just a silly little video. Thank you to KILLSTAR for sending these to me. I really appreciate it. I love all of them, especially this little maggot guy. I will put the information for them down below along with the coupon code, and you'll have to let me know what your favourite one was down in the comments as well. But yeah, I hope you liked this video anyway. If you did, please subscribe and I will see you soon. Bye guys.